Welcome to Keep TV, where we help you find peace, balance, and connection within yourself. In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into a guided healing meditation designed to nurture emotional balance and cultivate self-love. Life can sometimes feel overwhelming, and it's easy to forget how much love and care you deserve. This session will help you release stress, calm your mind, and reconnect with the most important relationship in your life, the one with yourself. So, let's create a sacred space for healing together. Find a quiet, comfortable spot where you can sit or lie down without interruptions. Close your eyes if you feel ready, and let's begin this journey to self-discovery and peace. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Do this a few more times. Inhale deeply, and exhale gently, allowing your body to release any tension. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your weight. Allow yourself to settle, fully present in this moment. Now, bring your attention to your body. Notice the sensations, the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe, the rhythm of your heartbeat, the gentle warmth or coolness of the air around you. Simply observe, without judgment. As you continue to breathe naturally, imagine a warm, golden light glowing softly in the center of your chest, right where your heart is. This light is the essence of love, pure, healing, and infinite. It radiates warmth and comfort, reminding you that within you lies the power to heal and nurture yourself. With each inhale, visualize this light growing brighter, expanding outward. And with each exhale, imagine it sweeping away any tension or negativity from your body. Let it flow freely, soothing every muscle, every cell, every thought. Now, let's turn our focus inward. Take a moment to reflect on how you've been feeling lately. Maybe you've been carrying stress, sadness, self-doubt, or even frustration. Whatever emotions come up, know that they're okay. You don't have to fight them or push them away. Allow them to surface and be seen, as if you're gently holding them in your hands. As you sit with these feelings, remind yourself, these emotions don't define me. They are just passing visitors, here to teach me and help me grow. Now, imagine wrapping those emotions, or the version of yourself that's been struggling, in the golden light from your heart. Picture yourself offering compassion, as if you're comforting a dear friend. Whisper these affirmations silently to yourself. I am worthy of love and care. It's okay to feel what I feel. I am healing, one breath at a time. Let these words sink in deeply, becoming part of your inner dialogue. As the light continues to grow, feel it filling every part of your being, your mind, your body, and your spirit. Imagine it dissolving any lingering self-doubt, replacing it with confidence, peace, and love. Now, let this healing energy expand beyond you. Picture it flowing outward, filling the space around you with calm and positivity. Visualize it extending even further, to your loved ones, your community, and the world. Remember, love is abundant and limitless. The more you give, the more it grows. Take a moment now to focus on gratitude. Bring to mind one thing you're thankful for today. It could be something small, like the warmth of the sun, or something big, like the support of a loved one. Let this gratitude amplify the golden light within you, making it even stronger and more radiant. As we near the end of this meditation, take a few deep breaths to anchor yourself in this feeling of peace and self-love. Inhale deeply, and exhale slowly, letting go of any lingering tension. Gently bring awareness back to your body. Notice the sensation of your fingers and toes. Wiggle them slightly. Feel the surface beneath you, grounding you in the present. When you're ready, open your eyes, knowing that you carry this light and love within you wherever you go. Thank you for joining me on this healing meditation journey. You've taken an important step in nurturing your emotional balance and strengthening your self-love. Remember, this practice isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Each time you take even a few moments to center yourself like this, you're making a powerful investment in your well-being. If this meditation brought you peace, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a little extra love today. And if you'd like more guided meditations and tools for self-care, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a session.